Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel. Now it looks like it matters which side we pull it down from, so you want to do it from the right side where you will get the toggles, and in here you're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, or in short as it's called right here, DND. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever it's set to, or you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it actually functions. So scrolling down, we have the Do Not Disturb, and then all the toggles below that. There we go. So we have just the toggle on and off, and we have schedule. When device is locked, meaning that it will only turn on Do Not Disturb mode when it's locked. When you're using the phone, it will be in a normal mode, basically, like Do Not Disturb mode isn't even on. And then notified about repeated callers, which allows you to get a notification when someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period. So if I don't know, someone really needs to get to call you, or has some kind of emergency maybe, if they call you twice, you will actually be notified about it. And the option before that was notify about calls, so we have none, stayed with our favorite contacts, just contacts, anyone or no one. So choose whichever one you want. And that's all the options we have here. So once you went through those and customized them to however you want it to function, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on it to turn it on. And if you're using the scheduled, which as you've seen there was an option for schedule right here, schedule turn on, you just need to set it up right here, make sure that this is enabled, and the device will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.